Hi, and welcome on Coin Money Network. This young trader gave us his opinion about Litecoin 2018 price prediction. I watched him and heard good advice from him. Now I let you decide if for you too it's useful or not. If you liked the video or you think that it's useful for you or others, please get involved with a share, like and comment. Thanks. Find the links below. More 100% absolutely best guaranteed proven powerful quality products, so you can have quick results with step-by-step simple solution. I wish you all the best to you and your family, and a prosperous financial year in 2018.
In this video, I'm going to do a price prediction about Litecoin, what I think Litecoin will be worth by the end of 2018. And the next few weeks, so until the end of the year, I will do some more price predictions about cryptocurrencies and the market in general, what I think it will look like by the end of 2018. This is obviously not financial advice, so you don't need to follow my opinion. You keep your own opinion. But this way, I want to give you my personal view on it, my personal opinion, as precise as possible, because I can give you my top 10 cryptocurrencies, which I did already, but still you don't know the real numbers and what I think will happen in general. So I'm going to do some very short price predictions. So if you want to see them all, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like the video if you liked it, obviously. But anyway, let's get to it. So Litecoin, first I want to start with Litecoin. And why is this? Because Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. And with all the price action of Bitcoin, I'm getting more and more excited about Litecoin as well, and what I think they will do in 2018. So Bitcoin seems unstoppable right now, and it's already $15,000. And what you need to know is, at a certain point, people are going to get scared to get in, because like every number that Bitcoin reached, they are thinking like, is it still a good time to get in? I mean, like, a lot of people are hesitating to get into Bitcoin. And at a certain moment, this is going to be very bad, because we see a lot of institutional money, fund money. We're seeing this flowing into Bitcoin right now, but it is seen as a store of wealth. But on a certain moment, they will see that the price action is getting too ridiculous, so they will look for alternatives. And what for them, institutions and fund managers, etc., what is the second option for a store of wealth in cryptocurrencies? Exactly, it's Litecoin. All the other cryptocurrencies are not so similar to Bitcoin. The most similar cryptocurrency to Bitcoin is Litecoin. Keep this in mind. Litecoin is from the beginning already the silver to Bitcoin's gold. And what is my opinion about the real silver to gold? Silver and gold are actually something that are actually also related to each other, and we see them also moving in a certain price fork from each other. And we also see Bitcoin and Litecoin moving in a certain price fork from each other. So let's have a look to some historical snapshots. I wanted to say Snapchat, but what the fuck? It's snapshot. So we see it right here, Bitcoin 1, Litecoin 2. And we see here it is times 20. So Litecoin is times 20 times smaller than Bitcoin right here in 2013. Then in 2014, still 1 and 2. There the difference is 17 times. So Litecoin is 70 times smaller. Then 2015, Litecoin is number 3. And Litecoin is 46 times smaller. 2016, Litecoin is at 4th place. And Litecoin is 41 times smaller than Bitcoin. Then 2017, February, before all the price action, Litecoin was as low as 83 times smaller than Bitcoin. So in the beginning of the year, we could see that throughout history, in 2017, Litecoin was very undervalued. And if I knew that back then I would have invested in Litecoin heavily. And since that moment, since it was so undervalued in February, it went up times 25, because it's right now around $100. So history teaches us that Litecoin is getting back within this price fork always if it goes out. So right now this price fork is 48, so it's still in this, just on the border of this price fork between 20 or 15 and 50, so 48 that it is right now. So as we see right here, and Litecoin is at 6th place. But also what history teaches us is that if something gets bigger, then the difference got smaller. So right now we see a lot of price action for Bitcoin, but I think we will also see some price action of Litecoin coming up actually next year. So my particular prediction for next year for Litecoin by the end of 2018, I think Litecoin will be worth somewhere between $800 and $1,000. So that's times 8 to times 10. So then this price fork will be reasonable again, and also for the growth of the cryptocurrency market, this price fork will be more reasonable, because the bigger they get, normally the smaller the difference will be. And also, if I can tell you something else about silver and gold, well, you need to know about silver and gold. You know that I'm an investor of everything a little bit, so I know a lot about other investments as well. So silver, the production of silver cannot follow the demand. So silver is actually something that is used more than gold. Also, the demand is bigger than gold, but still the production, year after year, the production of silver cannot follow the demand. And for gold, this is something else. Gold, first of all, is not like really used a lot. And also the production of gold is bigger than the demand. So you see the difference between silver and gold. Silver is actually right now undervalued compared to gold, because this production is lower than the demand, and for gold this is bigger than the demand, while the usage of silver is bigger than the usage of gold. So you see, this is what I also mean with Bitcoin and Litecoin. So Litecoin is actually the better alternative to Bitcoin in terms of usage. Still, Bitcoin is seen as the #1 store of wealth, but still, even the logo is actually the silver to Bitcoin gold. So actually this comparison between silver and gold and Bitcoin and Litecoin is like really on point. Actually, I think this is really something we can rely on, that this is going to happen just as it happened in history in silver and gold, that we will see a price action coming from Litecoin as well in 2018, as we saw in 2017 as well, because the difference got like really small, and then Bitcoin just blow up. Actually, Bitcoin just run away from Litecoin and all the other cryptocurrencies. That's what we saw happen in the last few months. But before that, Litecoin had a really strong run, times 25 this year. So I think this is really what I think, between $800 and $1,000 by the end of 2018, while I think Bitcoin will only go up times 3 from now on, which will make it both very reasonable and which will give it actually the growth that it deserves for next year. So we will see, guys. We will see what happens, but this is what I think. I actually think Litecoin will make up some lost terrain compared to Bitcoin. So thank you so much for watching. The next few price predictions are also coming very soon. This is going to be all very short videos. Don't forget to subscribe once again if you liked the video. If you agree with what I said, hit the like button down below and leave your comments about what you want me to see doing a price prediction about. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.